Greetings. Welcome to the Cultural News Influencer channel. Our dedicated team of experienced journalists and reporters is committed to delivering comprehensive and up-to-date news from around the world. We strive to provide accurate, unbiased, and in-depth coverage of various topics, including politics, business, technology, health, arts, and culture. We highly value the trust of our audience and work tirelessly to ensure that our news is reliable and informative. On April 20th, 2024, heavy rainfall in Dubai caused significant disruptions to the daily routines of its residents, including diverted flights, challenging driving conditions, and remote work implementation. Despite the challenges the people of Dubai face, some resourceful individuals have found innovative ways to assist others during the floods. A viral online video shows people using shopping carts to ferry individuals through the flooded subways. While some individuals chose to wade through the water to save money, others appreciated the convenience of these improvised transport methods. We hope that this situation is resolved and that the people of Dubai can resume their daily routines without further disturbance.